How to combine PDF files into one PDF file. This is what I'm going to show you in this video. So if you're here for this purpose, then you should keep watching this video. It will be a short video to the point, so I would highly recommend you to watch till the end. So to combine the PDF files, we'll be using a free online tool, and it is actually a website and which is called Combine PDF. Once you will open this website, you will have this kind of an interface. On the top of it, you will see there are many converters available, but on the extreme right tab, there is an option of Combine PDF, which by default would be selected. So on the bottom of this, it will ask you to upload the files. You need to browse the folder in which your PDF files are there. Right now, I have a written script of my previous video, so there are 2 pages of it. I'm just going to select these 2 files and I'll try to combine them into one. So once I will select that, both the files will be uploaded, and here you can reorganize these pages. Like you can put the page 1 first, or you can maybe drag the file number 2 first and the file number 1 at the end. So once you have rearranged or properly arranged these files, then on the bottom of this you can click the combine. Okay, it will then ask you to save the file. So now the file is being combined and is downloaded. Open that file, and as you can see that the page 1 and page 2 have been stitched together or merged together, and now it is a one file. Let me show you the 2 files. The first file was page 1 and the second file was also consisting of page 1. Means that both files were 1 pages long, whereas the combined PDF file is now 2 pages, and they are stitched together in the order of priority in which I selected there. So that's how you can combine the PDF files into one PDF file using this free online tool available. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.